This, for me, is the best camera of 2025, the Lumix S9. It came with the infamous 26mm f8 lens cap lens and a small rig cage. Here's how it looks with the 26mm f8 lens cap lens. The camera sports a rangefinder style, but without a viewfinder, which isn't needed honestly. The looks are minimalistic and elegant, but build quality certainly feels cheap. All the controls are on the right side to make one-handed operations easy, fast and convenient. It may look small, but being a full frame, it's not the lightest camera and you will miss the grip. I think that's why Lumix provided this cage with the camera. Installing the cage is pretty easy. It comes with this magnetic tool which is called a dual head wrench, which essentially is a part of the cage and can be used to screw and unscrew the cage from the camera at any time. There are two mounting points, one on the bottom and other at the right side strap mount. Lock the camera via the screw at the bottom of the cage. Lock the right side via pushing this lock inside the right side strap mount and tightening it. When done, place the dual head wrench back into its magnetic slot where it won't fall off and would be there the next time you'll need it. It's also very useful and handy while mounting and unmounting the camera, where we have to screw it like on a tripod. Now you have plenty of mounting points, including two cold shoes, strap slots, RE locating holes, and others. And now the camera looks not so good, but the cage is essential in my opinion. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.